Hey guys, it's me, JoshmaryTubeHD. Oh, sorry. Yeah. JoshmaryTubeHD. Welcome to another video on my second channel. Now, if you guys can see what I have right here, this is my first toy review that I'm doing. As you guys can see, it moves back and forth, and surprisingly, if you guys look right there, I destroyed the buttons. Now, I didn't do that yesterday. I did that a long time ago when I was young, but here are some of the sounds it makes. Let the camera clear up. There you go.
Fire, help! There's a report of smoke coming from a downtown warehouse.
That's the coolest one that there is. It shakes and it actually moves by itself. That's really my favorite.
We have a 1059 at 23rd Crawford.
Okay, so that was the second one. Here's the third one.
Get a crew to the roof now.
And here's the fourth one.
Watch for a heat comfort. Please don't turn it back off.
So yeah, and then it came with a ladder, but I kind of destroyed that off too, kind of recently, but it was for a game. So yeah, thanks for watching this little video I made on me reviewing the Zone 375 Firetruck. Wad 1, as always.